In this segment, I discuss Agile through the lens of the history of Japanese automobile manufacturing as it engaged with the US market circa the 1970s. Hello, this is Bry, and this is my channel. I discuss business analysis, business architecture, software development lifecycle, and Agile frameworks and methodologies here. I invite you to listen and participate in the conversation. Introduced to Agile in 2003, its philosophy was a breath of fresh air amidst the mainstream growth of tech ideologies. Amongst many Agile analogies, one popular depiction is a skateboard transforming into an automobile through iterative stages. However, this image never quite resonated with me. Agile is about thinking in iterations, yes, but more critically, it's about envisioning the end product, not just components. For startups set on manufacturing automobiles, starting with a skateboard seems counterintuitive. Agile's essence isn't just iteration, it's a commitment to a test-and-learn approach, akin to molding clay, flexible yet resolute. If something doesn't work, reshape it or start anew. Let's take a quick dive into automotive history for perspective. Having witnessed the tech booms from the 60s onwards, I saw Japan's manufacturing narrative shift dramatically. Initially known for budget imitations, Japan's real game-changer was entering the US market with minimal, fuel-efficient cars in response to the oil crises. What started as simple, affordable vehicles evolved through relentless improvement and adaptation, hallmarks of Agile methodology. When I lived in Japan in 1980, their global manufacturing prowess was clear, even if it wasn't apparent yet in the US. By the time I returned to the US for business school, the Japanese manufacturing miracle was a buzzing topic. This adaptation and resilience mirror the Agile mindset. Start simple, observe, adapt, and evolve. This is agility. This is survival. In conclusion, Agile teaches us to adapt to our environment and evolve accordingly. Whether in technology or manufacturing, agility is not just beneficial, it's imperative. That's all I got. What is your experience with Agile? Do you have any good stories by analogy? I hope this content helps you to understand. This has been Bry. If you appreciate this content and wish to support the channel, press like. Subscribe if you want to see more. Press the bell icon if you wish to be notified of new content. Comment if you agree or disagree with the content or want me to discuss another aspect in this space. Cheers.